Hi, welcome back to this DISC video series. My name is Nancy Roberts, also known as the DISC Wizard. And in this video, we're talking about the high compliant person, the person who is task-oriented as well as introverted. So when you combine those two together, you get somebody who tends to be very analytical, very logical, very detail-oriented. They tend to be methodical in how they do things, and they really want a good result. When it's a very high compliant person, they can tend to be a perfectionist. But the one thing that's for sure is everything that they do work-wise is going to be quality, top of the line, all the I's dotted, all the T's crossed, because that's how a high compliant person is. They do tend to think inside of the box. They're really good at details and the tactical aspects of projects and things like that. One of the downsides, again, we always talk about the limitations of the style, is they don't necessarily see the big picture. And a challenge that the high C can have, it's like that, dichotomy of it's a great thing, but it can be a bad thing as well. They're so into the details, so the accuracy there is there. But a lot of times they can get what's called analysis paralysis. So they're stuck in the thing that they're working on because it has to be accurate. And if they, run into something that's not correct or something that they see as wrong, it can actually just stop them in their tracks. I was sharing what's important to each of these styles, and for the high compliant, it's definitely information. They like to be in the know. They need information. It's actually something they can't move forward. Again, that analysis paralysis. They can't move forward until they actually have the information and the accurate information. One tip I could give the other styles for dealing with the high C is give more information than you would normally give. So if you're working on a project or you're submitting a proposal or a report or anything like that, the D, the I, and the S, who aren't as detail-oriented, are going to need to provide more information for the C's comfort level. So I hope that was helpful.